In summary, this learner-centric environment ensures that students have opportunities to ask questions about their learning progress. Learners receive and respond to feedback to improve and demonstrate what they have learned or completed for content mastery. The previous lessons provided 4 examples of how learners respond to questions about their progress, respond to feedback, and show their level of understanding of what is being taught or assessed during a lesson. Learners also had time in class to improve their work after they received feedback from the teacher. You will see how items E1 to E4 can be demonstrated during an observation.
Okay, so are you doing the old divide and conquer approach?
Sort of. Yeah, I guess we're kind of, I don't know, we're kind of trying to just match
there's like one big group effort, but then like there's little side efforts going on of like
Okay.
just figuring out stuff.
Have as a group, are you the boss, Justin?
Yes.
Okay. As a group, have you like just kind of said, we know this, we don't know this?
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, because if you're a collective brain here, is that a good idea?
Well, I think we're gonna get you to check them after we like find them all on the dates, and then we were gonna start working on the what have you.
So what happens if you encounter something as you're doing that you're like, we don't know what it is? This is part of the reason why we have a plan. So if we don't know the answer, you guys sound like you're actually doing it after the fact. Corey, what's your job?
Helping figure out the events.
Okay. Who's looking at the pictures?
We always.
And who's in charge of answering the questions?
We're gonna be doing that. Are you talking about like cards?
Yeah, because what had happened is what is the event, but the questions are something entirely different.
Should we have to answer all of them like on a separate sheet of paper? Which questions? I mean,
On the cards.
On the cards. Oh. How are we? Do we answer those on here, or is it going to be like? Do we need to write them down?
I don't know. What's your strategy, team?
All right. Well, for Reno, I say that.
I can write them down if I get a little bit of help.
Yeah, we can answer this on a separate sheet of paper.
So again, I think you should just rethink. I like your idea initially. Like take it as it comes. Sounds like you're going to do just sort of the scattershot method. If we need to know stuff, we'll look it up and write it down then. But if you can use the strength of your comrades, use the strength of your comrades.
Yeah, right now I think we're trying to work on dates.
Okay.
Like, I think we're just trying to chronologically order them.
Have fun.
I read Rocket Boys in Miss Michelada's class, so
Me too.
I know what the Sputnik is.
Yes, but do you know what year it was? We're thinking it would definitely be 60s, probably. It's after that.
Anybody know what it was on that?
Roosevelt, yeah, he
That would be probably good.
It was probably very simple to see E1, E2, and E3 in this video. Items E1, E2, and E3 are rated as very evident because the learners responded to the teacher's questions about the note cards and explained their reason for their approach to complete the activity. Remember when the female student asked the teacher if the group had to answer the question directly on the card? That interaction exemplified E4. She asked the question to ensure the group was on target with the teacher's expectations. Her actions demonstrated a desire to understand how work is assessed to ensure objectives were being achieved. E4 is rated very evident because of the authentic interaction between the learners and the teacher and the high level of questions and responses from the students about their assignment. Remember, in this environment, you want to observe learners actively answering questions to clarify their understanding, using rubrics or exemplars to monitor their progress and maximize class time to improve their work, while striving to achieve academic goals and objectives.